Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to check for the firmware updates on this device. Let's start by opening the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the device page for your watch right here, Galaxy Watch 5. Now scroll through this page, tap on the watch settings. Now scroll all the way down and find the option called Watch Software Update. Tap on it and the app will start looking for the updates. And as you can see, our watch is up to date, but if it wasn't, you will see the button right here to install the update. You can tap on it and the update will start installing automatically. Beware though, if you want to update the watch, make sure that the battery level is at least, I don't know, above 30-50% if you want to update the watch. Or you can simply plug it to the charger while updating, and that would be the safest option. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you check for the firmware updates on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.